Google is all set to launch its own foldable phone, the Pixel Fold, and we have our first look at the handset that reveals Google is doing foldables better than Samsung in a couple of key aspects. The cover screen measure 5.78 inches according to display analyst Ross Young. Now the second area where the Pixel Fold looks better than the Z Fold 4 is the camera. If you were wondering, the inner screen size is 7.6 inches. It has a triple camera setup and it looks identical to the one on the Pixel 7 Pro. The Pixel Fold has gigantic bezels inside, and hey, Google 2016 just called they want their bezels back. Google could have just used a punch hole camera inside, but this just doesn't look good because we are way past the bezels at this point. But the another good thing is the selfie camera is not going to suck because it's not the crappy under display camera. Ross Young also tweeted to advise that the Pixel Fold panel production is going to start in the third quarter of this year. Well, it was previously expected that we could also see it this year. It's very likely that we're now going to see it at the developer conference in May 23rd. When you open it up, you can see it's a full screen display with no punch holes, but there is a pretty big bezel on the top and the bottom, as well as some thickness to the sides. There is in fact a selfie camera for the main display, but it's placed within the top bezel rather than being a punch hole camera or under display. Now we've also got dual speakers thanks to a speaker on both the top and the bottom of the phone. Then we've also got a fingerprint scanner on the power button. Google are finally set to release it and it's coming in May 2023. John Prosper say the Pixel Fold is coming at $1,799 insane price, which is the starting price of Samsung Z Fold 4 as well. Now the Pixel Fold is expected to come with 12 GB of RAM and a choice of 256 or 512 storage. Battery capacity is still unknown, but we estimate that it may be around 5,000 mAh due to its big size, and it's likely going to support wireless charging as well as reverse wireless charging. The main display will apparently feature a peak brightness of 1200 nits with an average brightness of 800 nits and support for a max resolution of 1840 by 2208 pixels. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.